How do? Right, for those who haven't seen it, these are just temporary, these. Because we've just come back from Whittingham. Tidied up and realised that I hadn't actually videoed any of it. So, yeah. On. That's it. Yeah. There, so what do you think of that? Looks a bit better, doesn't it? A lot better with blinds up. Yeah, once blinds are up and everything, it'll look very pretty. The pump has broke again in the toilet. Oh, that's very sparkly, isn't it? Still don't me to a catch. Right. There we go. Was going to get the sink Tuesday, but I think something's just come up. We've just got home and yeah, anyway. Right. So, hunky dory.